Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps in 3D, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be explaining for both the mobile version and the web version. I'll first be explaining for the mobile version and pretty much just my own words since I can't show you at the moment, but it's actually really simple. You just need to go into your Google Maps app. You're gonna tap on your profile picture, or your profile button. As you can see, it's just like this on the PC as well. And then you need to tap on it, go into your options, and then you can go into settings with the cog icon right next to it. Scroll down until you see Start Maps in Satellite View, and then just go back and maps will be in satellite view, which is pretty much as 3D as you can get on Google Maps. And you can just change the verticality of the map by dragging with two fingers and everything of the sort. Now on the PC version, you can just go to layers in the bottom left, click on satellite, and as you can see, it'll show you sort of a 3D image. However, you cannot really change your verticality here, so it's basically still 2D. If you want a 3D render of the map from the satellite view, you are going to need to use the Google Earth app on your PC or on your browser, and that is pretty much it. Of course, you can select any location and go into Street View, and you can see 3D image of wherever that location is. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.